Hello friends, we have so far seen how to create database, how to insert data into our tables, how to manipulate the data, but what to do when you want to access all the data lying in these databases from your Java programs. Now Java provides an API for the same that defines how a client can access data from the database, and it's called JDBC, Java Database Connectivity. JDBC makes it possible to establish a connection with a data source, send queries and update statements, and process the results. The Java application calls JDBC classes and interfaces to submit SQL statements and retrieve results. The API is implemented through the JDBC driver, and the driver is a set of classes that implement the JDBC interfaces to process JDBC calls and return result sets to a Java application. The database stores the data retrieved by the application using the JDBC driver. Now, the main objects of the JDBC API include a data source object that is used to establish the connection with the database, a connection object that controls the connection to the database, statement, prepared statement, and callable statement objects that are used for executing SQL statements. A prepared statement object is used when an application plans to reuse a statement multiple times, and a callable statement is used to call stored procedures that return values. A result set object that contains the results of a query. A result set is returned to an application when a SQL query is executed by a statement object. Now, there are 5 steps to connect any Java application with the database in Java using JDBC. They are: first, register the driver class; second, creating the connection; third, creating the statement; fourth, executing queries; and finally, closing the connection. Let's look at the classes and interfaces used in JDBC in more detail in the next video.